When should I schedule a comprehensive pre-sale clean? Selling your home? There's one simple decision that can elevate your entire campaign. And it's not about styling, staging, or even photography. It's timing your pre-sale clean to perfection. A comprehensive clean can transform how buyers experience your home. But the when is just as important as the what. So let's walk through how to get the timing right and set your home up for maximum appeal and minimum stress. Why timing matters. A spotless home feels fresh, cared for, and move-in ready. But if you clean too early, dust, fingerprints, and life sneak back in before buyers arrive. Too late. And you're rushing, stressed, and potentially paying extra for an emergency clean. The goal? A clean that holds from your photo shoot right through to your first open inspection. Start with the end in mind. To work backwards, ask, when are my real estate photos scheduled? When is my first open home? These 2 dates should anchor your cleaning plan. Here's a good rule of thumb. Schedule your comprehensive clean 1 to 2 days before your photo shoot. That way, your home is pristine and picture perfect, with no chance for grime or clutter to creep back in. Then, do a light touch-up clean the day before your first open, just enough to refresh surfaces, wipe down bathrooms, and give floors a once-over. What if you're still living in the home? Many sellers stay in their home during the campaign, and that's okay. But it means you'll need to be a little strategic. In this case, do your deep pre-sale clean before your photos. Then stay on top of the key buyer zones, bathrooms, kitchen, floors, and entryways. And right before each inspection, give yourself time to reset, refresh, and remove anything out of place. Even with kids, pets, and busy schedules, it's doable with a solid plan. The sweet spot for booking a cleaner. Here's something most people overlook. Professional cleaners book out fast, especially the good ones who specialise in pre-sale presentation. So, don't wait until the week of your shoot. Ideally, book your clean 2 to 3 weeks in advance. That gives you time to lock in your ideal time. Prep the house with any last-minute decluttering coordinate with stylists, trades, and agents without chaos. The earlier you plan it, the calmer the whole process becomes. Need more than one clean? Some homes need a multi-stage approach. For example, Stage 1, a full pre-sale clean before styling and photos. Stage 2, a lighter clean before the first opens. Stage 3, ongoing touch-ups. If your home is on the market for a few weeks, it's especially helpful if you've had renovations, lots of foot traffic, or you want to keep your property in flawless condition throughout the campaign. Final thoughts. Clean with purpose, not panic. Selling a home is a big emotional and financial decision. You want buyers to walk in and feel something, that instant magnetic yes moment. But it doesn't happen by accident. It happens when your home is clean, calm, and ready to welcome its next chapter. So whether you're weeks out or just getting started, plan your clean now. Give yourself time. Give your home the spotlight it deserves. And walk into your sale with clarity, confidence, and that fresh, clean home feeling.